For over 30 years, IGS has been the global leader in specialized asset integrity services, operating in more than 50 countries worldwide. Our automated field welding services extend the lifetime and maximize the value of critical assets across the energy industry. For pressure vessel repair, boiler tube protection, and structural reinforcement, our proprietary technologies deliver unmatched quality and reliability. We combine cutting-edge engineering with the industry's most skilled project managers and technicians to rapidly solve complex challenges on site during outages and turnarounds. At IGS, we're committed to safety, quality, and innovation. Our specialized services reduce downtime, extend asset lifespan, and minimize maintenance costs. Extending life, protecting your investment. That's asset vitality.